Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got the brand new Baton Ultra everyday carry flashlight from our good friends over at OLIGHT. This is the very latest version of the Baton series of flashlights and includes a couple of really incredible upgrades that I think you'll appreciate. Now, before I get too deep into all the technology behind this amazing flashlight, I want to talk about OLIGHT for a minute because the everyday carry flashlight market is flooded. There's a lot of companies that build flashlights like this, and after a while they all start looking the same. Not with OLIGHT. OLIGHT's a company that really makes everyday carry flashlights exciting again because they start from scratch. So everything in this flashlight is pretty much custom. The LED is custom. The case material is custom. The design is custom. And it really makes for a fantastic flashlight that you're going to carry with you. It's going to last a long time. It's going to produce a lot of light. And it's really, in a lot of ways, a very creative product. Now, I started with this company back with the Arc Pro Ultra, which is hands down my favorite flashlight. This is in my pocket every time I leave the house, or it's clipped to my belt. It just feels great in your hand. It's got that OAL, which is the OLIGHT aluminum outside casing on it. It's got little laser etched ribs on either side of it. It's just a beautiful flashlight. Well, the Baton Ultra has a lot of that technology in it, but it takes it a step further. So again, before I get too deep into the technology, let me show you what comes in the package, because not only is the flashlight beautiful and functional, but the packaging is beautiful and functional as well, and they include a lot of cool stuff. So when you first open up the box, and take your time when you open the box, because the way that packaging is put together, the whole experience is just high end. All right, so when you open the box, you'll find the flashlight. 115 grams, fits in your pocket. It's an everyday carry flashlight, and it's got a ton of cool features. You can charge this with a standard USB-C charger, but they also include this magnetic Qi-like charger. So you basically snap this on the bottom, plug it into a standard USB-A port on your charger, and it'll charge the flashlight. So no shenanigans there. You can charge it with the base. I like that a lot. They've also included this little adhesive shelf, which I think is a nice touch. You can glue this to something. The flashlight has a magnetic bottom. You stick it on there and you're good to go. You can put the shelf this way too, stick it on there, you're good to go. So it gives you a way to sort of put a little shelf on the side, pop the flashlight on top of it, and you'll always know where it is. They even give you an additional sticky pad. This is the mark of a company that cares an awful lot about your business and wants you to be really thrilled with the product. Also included is a read me first guide. Now, when you get the flashlight, there'll be a protective cap inside between the battery and the contacts, because you don't want the flashlight to turn on when it's in shipping. So you'll unscrew the top of it just like this. And once you get that off, inside there's the battery. Pull that tab off and then the flashlight's ready to go. It also explains some of the cool features and the specific technology that OLIGHT has built into this flashlight. Now, I talked before a little bit about the material. A lot of the flashlights on the market use aluminum or some type of composite material, and they're durable, but they're not great, because if they're spray painted or they've got some kind of external coating on it, over time it's going to get banged around in your toolbox or in your glove box, and the paint's going to scratch, and it's going to start looking pretty janky in no time at all. With these guys, what OLIGHT has done is developed a proprietary aluminum. It's called OAL, which is much more durable than standard aluminum. It's almost at the same level as a titanium flashlight, and it's a custom mix of aluminum and development on their part. So what you get is a really rugged flashlight that's going to last you a long time. You're not going to see scratches and nicks on it. They've also been able to laser etch a really nice grippy kind of a surface on the flashlight. So when you've got it in your hand, you're not going to drop it easily. It stays in your hand really well, but it's comfortable, because a lot of flashlights have kind of a ribbing on them, but they're not real comfortable in your hand. I like that a lot. Even with the original one, the Arc Pro Ultra, they've got it along the sides, and that's been laser etched in there. So that's a lot of work to put that together. Another big innovation is the LED. Now, they've developed their own LED, and that's pretty impressive, because most of the LEDs on the market that other companies use are just off-the-shelf LEDs. They find a LED that'll fit in the front of the flashlight. Maybe it's a certain brightness. They need a certain battery for it. Not with these guys. OLIGHT really thinks it through, and they said, you know what? The most important part of any flashlight is the part that produces the light. Can we build one that uses less electrons, so I'm going to last longer? Can it be brighter? Can it be closer to pure white? And that's exactly what you're getting with the LED inside this unit. So again, it seems like a regular EDC flashlight, but it's so much more than that. All right, so let me talk a little bit about the specifications. So this light can generate 300 meters of throw and it's 1800 lumens, which means it's incredibly bright for a small flashlight like this. Most flashlights that are 1800, 1500 lumens are gigantic. They take up your entire hand. With this one, it almost disappears in your hand. It's that small. Certainly can slide into your pocket or clip on your belt. Again, it throws 300 meters of light directly out. There are 3 settings on the light, so you've got low, medium, and high, and then you've got turbo. So to do that, you'll turn the flashlight on, you'll hold the button, you can see it step through low, medium, high. If you want turbo, you double click the button, and now it's even brighter. And this is so bright that when you bring your hand close to it, you can feel the heat coming off that LED. So don't leave it on turbo for too long, but if you're trying to find something out in the woods, turbo's a great setting. It also has a strobe, so if you click the button 3 times, tap your heels together 3 times, you get the strobe. So that's pretty cool. And then in addition to that, you've got the button here that just controls all the lights I showed you, but you have a button on the back as well that you can use if you're looking down at the ground. You want to go into turbo, you tap it twice, it's in turbo mode. So you've got a couple of ways to turn it on from the back and from the side, which I think is really nice. The battery itself will go for days and days and days on the lowest setting. So once you charge this up, you can actually use it for a long time in a camping trip. And honestly, when you're on a camping trip, you don't really need intense brightness most of the time. If you're in your tent, you're probably going to be on the low setting like that moonlight setting, and this will last for days. So you can go on a 5 or 6 day camping trip and have plenty of light to look at your map or check something in the tent, and maybe there's something over in the corner you want to look at. So I think they've done an amazing job of giving you a lot of control on a flashlight that's incredibly durable. Now, what I'd like to do next is I'll actually take it out in the backyard in the dark of night, and I'll show you the 3 settings, how much light they throw, and I'll show you the turbo setting as well, because what I've got here, in addition to the original one, is I've got a smaller flashlight that's more powerful, that's easy to bring along, it's incredibly durable, and I just really feel like the company is building something that nobody else is really approaching. And again, there's a lot of companies that build EDC style flashlights, and maybe they're less expensive. They're not going to do what this flashlight does. If you're looking for one that's going to last a long time, throw a clean, close to white beam, and is incredibly powerful, I think that the Baton Ultra is really the answer for you. But stay tuned. I'll take you outside, I'll walk around a little bit with it, and then I'll come back and point out a few of the special features that I mentioned earlier. Okay, right now you're looking at the lowest light setting for the Baton Ultra, and I'll move to the medium setting. And that's throwing a lot more light. Even in the low setting, you can see plenty of things on the ground. If you're looking for a pair of sneakers or trying to find something in your tent, I mean, that's a lot of light. And now I'll move to the high setting, and that is incredibly bright. Look up in the tree. You can see all the branches and things up in the tree. And I haven't even moved to the turbo mode yet, which is 1800 lumens. So let me show you that now. And that is incredibly bright. I mean, that's throwing not only a beam out in front of it, but it's illuminating a wide area around it, which again, if I'm searching for somebody in the woods or I'm trying to find something up in a tree or across the lake, that's going to throw a lot of light downfield and really illuminate that area. So very impressive light, especially considering the size. I hope that quick demonstration was helpful in showing you just how much light the Baton Ultra can actually generate, and I've been impressed with it every time I turn it on when I'm outside at night. Now here are a couple of quick things to keep in mind when you're comparing the Baton Ultra to other EDC flashlights you may be considering. And the first thing has to do with all the proprietary technology that OLIGHT has developed that's in this flashlight, starting with the case material. Other flashlights might use aluminum or some kind of composite. This uses a proprietary formulation of aluminum called OAL. You can't find it in other flashlights. And what that does is make this flashlight a lot more durable. It's not going to scratch. It's going to last a long time for you. Another big difference is the LED. And that's really important because the main component of any flashlight is the LED on the front. And OLIGHT didn't just go out and find an LED and build it into the flashlight. They actually developed their own LED. It's called EIP. It's efficient, it's intense, and it's pure. So the efficiency part's important because that means you're going to get longer use out of a charged battery than other flashlights. The intense part is where that 1800 lumens of light comes from. It's an incredibly bright flashlight. It'll throw a beam 300 meters downfield. And then the last part of it is pure. It's really close to white light, which is important if you're doing any kind of like detailed work out in the field. You're going to get a really good bright light that's going to give you plenty of illumination, and you have 3 different levels plus turbo. The last thing I'll mention is the charging. I think they were really clever with that because to make something like this weatherproof, it's hard to leave a USB-C connection on the outside. Now, sure, you can cover it with a grommet, but I don't know, that's going to be great, but you drop it in a lake or something, maybe it's not going to hang in there. With this one, they've got this cap on the back that spins that opens up to a weatherproof USB-C. So I can charge this off a standard wall charger, or if I don't want to mess with that at all, I can use the base, snap it on there, plug it into a charger, and just start charging it. It's lightweight, it's 115 grams, it means I can take it anywhere, I can slide it into my pocket or clip it on my belt. I think it's an amazing flashlight. And again, I've used the other one for quite some time, hands down my favorite flashlight. But now I'm looking at this one, and I'll be honest with you, this is becoming my favorite flashlight. So what I'm trying to get across is that OLIGHT is not like other companies when they develop a flashlight. They really sit down and think about what I'm going to do with it. How can they make it really intense and throw a nice clean white beam out downfield 300 meters? And can they build it to be durable so it lasts a long time? And that's exactly what you're getting with the Baton Ultra. So hopefully you found this quick review helpful. I like the flashlight an awful lot. If you're looking for an EDC flashlight, maybe it's not as inexpensive as some others, but this unit's going to last you longer, it's going to be brighter for longer, and it's really built to be the flashlight you're going to hang on to for years and years and years. So hopefully you found value in the review. I've enjoyed talking about it. So until next time, as always, thanks a lot for watching, and stay nerdy.